Now let's take a look at this in the Node environment and actually separate this out a little bit so you can see how to insert this task object into a Node application. Now the first thing we're going to do is create our new file called main.js. And this will be where our actual application would be. So we'd stick everything over in main. And our task.js is simply going to be our task object. So I'm going to copy all of that, or not copy it, but delete it, and move that over into main.js. So in main.js, we're going to actually create 4 tasks, and then task 1 complete, all of this stuff over here. And our task.js is just going to be our task object declaration, kind of the constructor declaration and how that works. Now in Node, it uses the CommonJS framework. So we're going to do module.exports, and we're actually going to export task. That's all we're going to do. And what that gives us is a reference to this task constructor. Now we're not exporting a newed up version of it. We're just exporting task. Now over in main.js, we are going to do a var task equals require, and we'll do ./task. Now that gives us task. And now everything just works exactly the same way. So I'm newing up a task, task 1, and everything's fine. So this is how we break that apart. On our task.js, we create our constructor, all the prototype items, and then do a module.exports equals task. And then in main.js, we're going to do exactly what we were doing before. We do a require task, and then new up our tasks as we go right there. And I can call all the methods and everything just like that. If we run this, now instead of running task.js, we'll run main.js, and everything still works. So this is how you start to break this out and use this in your Node environment. You create your objects in one file, and then you can use those objects by newing them up over in the rest of your application.